Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Dodge Durango. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and a transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.